The 2025 Lamborghini Urus is a super sports utility vehicle (SUV) that embodies both luxury and SUV performance. There are two types of the Urus models, the S, which has air suspension, and the Performance, which has steel springs and a ride height that is 20 mm lower. The Lamborghini Urus comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that generates 657 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The Urus' highest speed is 305 km per hour, and it can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.6 seconds. The Lamborghini Urus also comes with permanent all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and Pirelli P0 Trofeo R tires. The Urus shares the platform with other high-performance vehicles such as the Audi Q7, Audi Q8, Porsche Cayenne, and Bentley Bentayga. The Lamborghini Urus' beautiful interior mixes Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The inside featured high-quality materials such as leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, wood, and aluminium. The seats are constructed of leather or Alcantara in various textures. The interior may be personalized with different colors and materials to make it sporty or beautiful. There's a lot of faux suede and carbon fiber trim, and the infotainment system and customizable gauges appear right out of Audi. The back seat has ample passenger capacity and may accommodate 2 to 3 persons, depending on the seats selected. The EPA anticipates that the 657 horsepower Urus will achieve 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Plenty of safety features come standard on the Lamborghini Urus, including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go technology, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, forward collision mitigation, head-up display, high beam assistant, and precognition system, autonomous emergency braking, 8 airbags, a front collision warning system, a seat belt, a lock, anchor points for kids, a top-view camera with trailer hitch mode and self-parking assistance are among the available features. Stability control, pretensioners, ABS, anti-lock brake system, ASR/traction control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, central locking system, front, side, and overhead airbags, and ABS are some of the features of the Lamborghini Urus.